Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to turn on or turn off auto factory reset in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on lock screen. Now in lock screen, click on secure lock settings and then enter your lock screen pin, password or pattern, and then here you will see a auto factory reset button. So if you want to turn off auto factory reset, then turn off this button, and if you want to turn on the auto factory reset, then tap on this button again to turn it back on. And after turning on this button, it will auto reset factory reset your mobile if you attempt 20 incorrect attempts to unlock your phone. So that's how you can enable or disable auto factory reset in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.